See how nimble I am? Move like Spider-Man, don't I? Oh yeah. That's all right. I got the skills. I got the moves, buddy. Ooh, watch this. Watch this move right here. Yeah. Woohoo! But y'all wish y'all could do that. Oops. Darn. Missed that one. Sakes. Let's put some extra metal in that piece. Woo. Alright. Go up top there and do something similar. That made me tired. Right there, that part right there, made me tired. It might not last much longer. I just got tired. I'm wishing I had me a chalk string. I used to have one. I know I got several up yonder, but I thought I bought one down here, but I might not have. Or I might have, and I might have put it someplace where I'll never find it again. Because I was trying to put it someplace where I knew where it would be next time I need it. You know how that works. So, I think I'm gonna quit. I'm just gonna quit. You know, it ain't like working a 9-to-5 job where you gotta wait for the clock to click over. I can just quit anytime I want to. I want to right now. I'm gonna quit. I'll put all my impotent tools inside of there so they won't get rained on in case it rains. Make sure I don't forget my cutting wheels and my little wrench. Them's important, very important things to have right there. Turn this seat up this time in case it gets rainy stuff tonight. And I'd like to thank my director and my producer and my writer and my fundraiser and my political consultant. That reminds me, I want to rake some mud. I shouldn't have said that, should I? Political consultant and then rake some mud. I mean, you would almost think I might be making a remark that could be considered to be asperging on the dignity of politicians. Far be it from me to ever do such a thing. Oh, I know these poor hard-working folks up there in Washington, D.C. I know they work awful hard for their money, and they need all them raises they keep getting and everything. I know what a dedicated bunch they all is. I sure do. I sure do. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do. Like good old Georgia red mud, I tell you, mess out of things. Oh, joy. I'll sit y'all over here with these other tools. I'll toss this inside of here somewhere. Maybe. Okay, y'all ready to go in now?